and welcome to the fourth scripting tutorial video. Today we're going to be learning how to format the chat. If you've just created a server, you'll notice that the chat looks like this. It's not very nice. It has the angled brackets. It's not very nice. So what we're going to be doing today is scripting a chat format to make it look nicer and have a bit of colour. So we'll be learning a new event today called onChat, and this will be triggered every time somebody chats on your server. We'll also be learning a new expression called set chat format. This basically means it'll take whatever they have written and format it, and we can choose what way it formats it in these. So we can use lots of different things here, such as player, player's prefix. Really, you can use anything here. You can use variables as well. So what we're going to be doing is set chat format to player. So the player is going to have the dark blue color or aqua color, and then message, and we're going to make the message, we'll make it light blue. So now we're going to copy this, go over to our server files and create a new file in the script and then scripts folder called chat.sk. We'll paste that in, we'll create the file, we'll go back to Minecraft and we'll do sk reload, and then whatever we named that, I messed up, it's set chat format 2, sorry. So set chat format 2. Copy that, go into your chat. We reload that, and now when we chat, see, it's changed to the color we've selected and the format. That looks a lot nicer. You can also make it its default, have no color. And that looks much better than this. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there's any more tutorials you want, just leave it in the comments and I'll do every single one of them. Thank you.